Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll be starting a new set of transaction value problems in which we have to even calculate IGST also. So till whatever the problems we have done till now was only about CGST and SGST. From now, we will be calculating problems on IGST also. The question is on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question or at least pause the video and write down the question so that it will be easy for you to analyze while I'm solving. XYZ Limited of Chennai, so very important, place becomes very important now, agreed to sell an electronic motor on which rate of GST applicable. So it is selling electronic motor. On that GST applicable is 12% to ABC Limited of Bangalore. So Chennai and Bangalore are between two different states. So here transaction is taking place between two different states. So when it is taking between two different states, we will levy IGST. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನೈಯಿಂದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ಗೆ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆನ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲೆವಿ IGST. Next, other particulars are, so they have given some other particulars also for our information. They have given other particulars. Okay, first one is transportation and transit insurance were arranged by XYZ Limited. This was at the request of ABC Limited. So what happened? The ABC Limited requested XYZ Limited to arrange a separate what do you say, like transportation facilities. So on request on ABC Limited, they have arranged transport facilities. So for the transportation and insurance expenses are as follows. So transportation is 1250 and insurance is 1500 rupees. That also they have given in the question, which is charged separately, means which is not included. A discount of 1000 was given to ABC Limited on the agreed price on payment of an advance. See, this is not a normal practice. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ನ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್, ವಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. So these type of discounts are not trade discounts. It is not a normal practice of discount. So such discount should not be given. But they have given it off, which means they have deducted. It shouldn't have been deducted. So we will add it. Interest of 800 was charged from DF as it may fail to make the payment. So just ignore this one. Ignore that. Packing charges. Yes, consider the packing charges. The expenditure incurred by ABC towards free after sale service. So after sale also some free services they will give. That expense also we have to consider. Now let us compute the transaction value. First, always we need to consider the selling price. Selling price they have given in the question. It is 15,000 rupees. So now we have to add inclusions which is not included. Include agilde irtakanತಹ expenses galna add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First is transportation. Transportation is 250 rupees. Second one we have insurance. Second one bandu insurance. Insurance is 1500 rupees. Next, discount. It shouldn't have been given, but it has been given, so you have to add it. ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್, ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Next, packing charges. Whatever the packing charges incurred, okay, 1300 rupees packing charges, that has to be added. Next, after sale service charges. So after the sale they are giving certain services, that also has to be added. Now add all these things to 15,000. You will get 20,550. From that you have to reduce exclusions. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು exclusions ನ reduce ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So In the question there is no any exclusions. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ exclusions ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ exclusions ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು next you have to add that you will get the transaction value that is 20,550. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. Our next procedure is to compute the GST liability. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು GST ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, which is known as output tax liability. Same two column we have to take particulars and amount. First you have to take transaction value. First transaction value ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The formula to find out the output tax liability is transaction value into rate of GST. Whatever the transaction value is there, that has to be multiplied by rate of GST. So this is an IGST problem because it is taking place between Chennai and Bangalore, which are different states. So when it is different state, integrated goods and service tax or GST will be levied. So what is the rate of GST? GST applicable is 12%. ಇಲ್ಲಿ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ GST applicable is 12%. So IGST ನ apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. IGST equals 20,550 into 12%. When you do that, you will get 2,466 rupees. So when you, the total GST payable will be 2,466 rupees. This is how you need to calculate when it is an IGST problem. Hope you have understood how to calculate this problem. If you have any doubt, please ask all your doubts in comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.